You have the real business, the real skills, the real products and real hustle, but no customer is coming to patronize you yet. So today I'm telling you the truth nobody tells any small business owner, that the problem is probably not their products. The problem is just one thing: good products, zero customers. So here is why. I have spoken to so many business owners, tailors, bakers, makeup artists, designers, even people selling different skills and products. And I keep hearing the same story. I am good at what I do, but people are not patronizing me. People are not buying my product. And you keep asking yourself, maybe your business is not good enough, or maybe they don't need what you are selling, or maybe I should just even give up. But sometimes that is not the problem. And your product can be good and still be invisible. And if people don't know what you do, or they don't understand why they should choose your products, they will just scroll past. And your product may be good, but people need to see it. They need to understand it, and they need to remember you. So good products plus zero visibility is equals to no customers. Okay, let me give you a simple example. Imagine a tailor that sew a nice cloth and you ask him, what makes your business different? And he says, I do a quality work. Okay, all tailors say that, right? Yes. But let's imagine it says, I make outfits that fit you perfectly and ready in 5 days without the stress of multiple fitting. Now that is the difference. I have a reason to remember him and I understand what he does. So this is the mistake small business owner makes. You know your business very well and you think everyone understands your business. Your customer doesn't even understand your business. You have to explain it to them. Tell them who you help. Tell them what you do. Tell them the reason why they should choose you. It's very important. And more important parts, post your work. And you can't just post once and disappear. You have to be consistent. Choose a platform. You don't have to post everywhere. Either WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and show up consistently. If you want to be visible and you want your business to be visible, you have to show up. Tell your people what you are doing and show your work, show your process, show your customer, and share your results. Let people know your business is real. Be clear, be visible, and be consistent. It's very important. Here are 3 things I want you to do this week. Number one, know what makes you different. Don't just say, I do quality work. Yes, we all know you do quality work, but tell your customer what you actually do. Tell them what you will help them to achieve. For example, I make a ready-to-wear outfit for busy women. That is clear. And number two, choose a platform and show up. You don't need 5 social media accounts. Just choose one and post consistently. You can post 1 or 2 times in a week and be consistent. People need to connect with your business. And number three, ask people you already know to recommend you. Think about your family, your friends, your old customers, your colleagues, or people that know everything about your business. Tell them to recommend you. Tell them, if someone you already know needs my services, please recommend me. Yes, sometimes your first customers are already connected with you, but you just need to ask. So remember, clear message, consistent visibility, referral. These 3 things will make people notice your business. I know it's frustrating sometimes. You are working hard, you are posting, you are doing your best, but sometimes you think people don't care about your business. People don't really care about what you do. But listen carefully. Being unseen doesn't mean you are not good. Your business might just need people to discover it. So that is something you can actually change yourself. So start this week, start small, and show people what you can actually do. If you are running a business currently and you are working in silence, I want you to comment business below and I will tell you what to do, because I read every single comment and I'm going to reply you all. I might feature you next. And if you have anyone working hard but nobody is seeing them, I want you to send this video to them, because this video might help them and they might get seen from this show. My name is Abisola and this is Opportunity Room Show. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.